I'm Billy.
Hi, I'm Tina.
I like Mondays because I play basketball after school.
I like Mondays because I practice piano after school.
I like Tuesdays because I have computer class at school.
I like Tuesdays because I have swimming class at school.
I like Wednesdays because I watch a DVD before bedtime.
I like Wednesdays because I have English class at school.
I like Thursdays because I have gym class at school.
I like Thursdays because I do ballet after school.
I like Fridays because I have art class at school.
I like Fridays because I walk my dog after school.
I like Saturdays because I play soccer with my friends.
I like Saturdays because I go to the movie theater.
I like Sundays because my family and I enjoy a big dinner.
I like Sundays because I sleep in